Hello, in today's video I'm going to show you how I changed the daylight driving light on my Skoda Yeti. First of all, what came up was a warning light. So this is how I changed it. Under the bonnet, behind the light fixture, is a plastic cover, and it's this cover here that you unscrew. Then stand next to the car, facing forward, and you'll find the bulb holder at the bottom of the light. It is very awkward, but you can twist it off anti-clockwise, and there it is. Got a brand new one from Skoda, £23 they are, but none of the accessory shops near where I live have them in stock. So quite simply, you just pull that bulb out of the holder and put this back in. Now I'm holding it with a tissue paper so as I don't get any fingerprints on it. The bulb has got a cutout just there, what corresponds with the bulb holder. So it should go in this way. There we go, nicely pressed in. Now stand facing forward, and you have to fiddle about until you find the hole at the bottom of the headlight and press it in. To think on that the bulb is situated there, so when you put your hand in, you try and guess where your fingers are, find the hole, and it just slots in. So now we'll try them. And there we are, my daylight running light working. As I say, that took me, I don't know, about 10 minutes, and you need to have a small hand, not like my sausage fingers, but we managed to do it. Now we'll put the cover back on, and it says, there's arrows on it, and it says open and close on it. It does say top on there, so keep that to the top. There we go, and twist it on. I hope the little video has been of some use to you, because it is a little bit of an awkward job, and I hope you've enjoyed the video, and thanks very much for watching.